I'm Zhao Yu. You can also call me Patrick. I'm the supply planner coordinator at BM China. I've been working for Lesaffre for 4 years. Yeah, basically my job is focusing on ensuring a smooth supply chain by managing the inventory production plan and balancing the demand and supply across the region. Also, I coordinate with demand planner, production team, and also the SOP process to ensuring the right products are available at the right place and time, minimizing the shortage and overstock issue. I think my job is very critical not only for the BM China and also for the group because I'm optimizing the production plan to fulfill the demand from the local market and also can allocate all the resource to the other regions where I'm meeting the shortage or capacity constraint. I think this activity allows us to maintain the stability of the supply chain and also ensuring the customer service level. The main challenge I face every day is that I need to revolve around balancing the demand uncertainty and the production capacity and capacity flexibility. I have to navigate the issue like unexpected changes in the demand, capacity constraint, and production delay, and additionally coordinate with multiple teams ensuring the alignments are very complex. To manage this, it requires constantly attention on the detail and requires the adaptability. What I like most of my job is problem-solving aspect. Every day brings the new challenges. I like to analyze the data, working with other teams to bring the solution to our supply chain. It's rewarding to see how my decision impact directly on the operation efficiency and the customer satisfaction. For the future candidates, the supply chain role can offer a dynamic environment. You can develop your both communication and analyze skills. It's a great opportunity to work cross-functionally, and you can get a deep understanding on the whole global supply chain works. Additionally, work at Lesaffre provides a unique opportunity to take part in a family-oriented company culture. This allowed me to engage with a colleague from different backgrounds and regions. This diversity and sense of belonging to make a great environment to grow both professionally and personally.